Have you ever wondered how to master everyday school makeup without foundation? Check out these secrets of long-lasting, beginner-friendly makeup that's both affordable and fabulous. Get ready to revolutionize your beauty routine. The first thing you need to do is to start with a clean face. This helps you to remove any dirt, oil, or impurities, ensuring a smooth base for your makeup. Once your skin is clean, don't forget to hydrate with a lightweight moisturizer. Hydrated skin not only looks healthier, but also helps your makeup go on more evenly. Now it's time to use the primer. I'm using a Schul-Make-up primer. This magical product not only blurs imperfections but also helps your makeup stay put throughout the day. Simply dab a small amount onto your fingertips and gently pat it onto your skin, focusing on areas where makeup tends to fade or crease. To even out your skin tone, you should apply a small amount of colored sunscreen or BB cream to your face using your fingers or a makeup sponge. Now it's time to conceal imperfections. Take a small amount of creamy concealer and gently dot it onto areas of concern, such as dark circles, blemishes, or areas of redness using your fingertips or a makeup brush. Gently blend it out until it blends into your skin. This will help brighten up your under eyes and cover any pesky spots. By the way, I'm using setting powder to lock in my concealer for a flawless finish. Alright, let's give those eyes a little love, shall we? Grab your favorite neutral eyeshadow and sweep it across your lids. This is gonna give us that perfect canvas to work with. Then let's add a bit of dimension by defining the crease with a shade that's just a touch deeper. I'm using a powder pencil to do it. And then I blend it with a simple and a small brush. Now, here's where the magic happens. Take a shimmer shadow and pop it right onto the center of your lids. It's like an instant pick-me-up for your eyes, giving you the gorgeous glow without any fuss. Brush your eyebrows upward with a spoolie brush, then fill any part that needs to be filled with your eyebrow pencil or a pomade. I'm gonna use a powder pencil that looks totally natural. Lightly draw a small stroke that mimic the direction and shape of your natural eyebrow hairs. This technique will give your brows a fuller and more defined appearance. Now, we want to achieve that fresh and natural look with rosy cheeks and lips. I'm using a red tint to brighten up my face. Now, for my lips, I start with a brown powder pencil to line my lips. I also control the pressure of my hand and I try to follow my natural lip line. I use the same tint to add some natural color to my lips. It provides a base before applying any kind of lipstick or lip gloss, and it also gives us a more polished look. It's a perfect choice for school makeup. To achieve a radiant glow, I choose to apply a lip gloss to add a luminous shine that catches the light beautifully. You can see the fabulous results now. I'd like to share a helpful tip for your lashes. Apply a black pencil eyeliner onto the eyelash curler for a more intense and defined look. And then you can grab your trusty mascara and give your lashes a little boost. You only need a small amount of mascara for beautiful lashes. For the final step, you can use a setting spray that helps your makeup remains flawless during the day. And here's the final result for your school makeup. And tell me, what's your favorite makeup hacks for those rushed mornings? Comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. And don't miss my next video, which is about how to look like a filter in real life. Thank you for watching.